Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find out how to use filters and sort data in Adalo free plan. The link to Adalo will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. First, open your browser and go to the Adalo website. Once it loads, log into your Adalo account. After logging in, open the app where you want to filter or sort data. Now click on the screen that contains a list, custom list, or simple list connected to your database. Once the screen is selected, click on the list component so its settings appear on the left side. Now look for the option called Filters and click on Add Filter. Choose the database field you want to filter, select the condition, and enter the value. This will control which data is shown in the list. Next, scroll down and find the Sort option. Click on it and select the field you want to sort by, then choose ascending or descending order. Once that's done, the list will automatically update based on your filter and sort rules. These features are available in the free plan, but advanced logic and external collections require a paid plan. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.